Home Remedies presents
Epsom salt after 50. Rub it here to quickly fix 10 health issues, say old doctors. Did you know that a simple mineral could transform your health after the age of 60? Epsom salt, often overlooked, holds incredible benefits for your body when used correctly. As we age, common health issues like joint pain, muscle aches, and poor sleep can take a toll on our quality of life. But what if there was a natural solution sitting in your home that could help tackle these problems and more? In this video, we'll reveal the 10 amazing health benefits of Epsom salt and the proper way to use it. Whether you're looking to relieve pain, improve your sleep, or support your overall well-being, Epsom salt might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. 1. Relieve muscle and joint pain. Epsom salt is a natural solution for easing muscle and joint pain. As we age, our bodies often struggle with inflammation and soreness, especially after physical activities or long days on our feet. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt is absorbed through the skin, helping to relax muscles, reduce swelling, and improve overall mobility. How to use. 1. Dissolve a cup of Epsom salt in warm water. 2. Soak the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. This simple method not only soothes your pain but also revitalizes your body, making you feel more agile and energetic. 2. Reduce swelling and inflammation. Swelling in the legs, feet, or hands is a common challenge, especially as we age or face conditions like prolonged standing or poor circulation. Epsom salt offers a natural and effective solution to this problem. Its anti-inflammatory properties work to draw out excess fluids from swollen areas, reducing puffiness and promoting comfort. How to use. 1. Dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in a warm bath. 2. Immerse the affected areas and let the minerals soothe and refresh your body. You'll feel the difference as the swelling subsides, leaving you lighter and more at ease. 3. Detoxify the body and eliminate toxins. Your body naturally accumulates toxins over time, especially as metabolism slows with age. These toxins can lead to fatigue, dull skin, and even more severe health issues. Epsom salt, when used correctly, acts as a natural detoxifier. The magnesium sulfate helps flush out harmful substances through the skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. How to use. 1. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath. 2. Soak for 20 minutes. This process not only cleanses your body from within but also promotes better overall health. As a bonus, it's a great way to relax after a long day. 4. Improve sleep and combat insomnia. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, Epsom salt might be the solution you didn't know you needed. The magnesium content in Epsom salt promotes relaxation by calming the nervous system and reducing stress. This effect works on both a mental and physical level, helping you prepare for a night of deep, restorative sleep. How to use. 1. Dissolve 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt in a warm bath. 2. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes an hour before bedtime. The minerals are absorbed through the skin, enhancing your body's ability to relax and promoting a peaceful state of mind. 5. Promote circulation and support heart health. Maintaining healthy blood circulation becomes increasingly vital as we age, as poor blood flow can cause cold hands and feet, persistent fatigue, and even heart-related problems. Epsom salt can be a game changer here. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing for improved circulation and reducing strain on the heart. How to use. 1. Prepare a warm basin of water and dissolve a cup of Epsom salt. 2. Soak your hands or feet for 15 minutes. This not only boosts circulation but also provides relief from tension and discomfort in the extremities. Regular use of Epsom salt soaks can support overall vascular health, helping you feel more energized and active throughout your day. 6. Relieve nerve pain and discomfort. Nerve pain, such as tingling, numbness, or burning sensations, can be particularly frustrating and debilitating. Whether caused by conditions like sciatica or diabetes, Epsom salt can provide a natural way to ease this discomfort. The magnesium sulfate absorbs through the skin, targeting the nervous system and helping to calm overactive nerve signals and reduce pain. How to use. 1. Take a warm bath with 2 cups of Epsom salt. 2. Immerse the affected area. Regular use can lead to noticeable relief and improved comfort in your daily life. Epsom salt, a versatile remedy for better health. Epsom salt offers numerous benefits for various health concerns, especially as we age. Let's continue exploring its advantages and how to use it correctly. 7. Enhance skin health and fight aging signs. As we age, our skin often loses its natural glow and elasticity, leading to wrinkles, dryness, and fine lines. Epsom salt is a natural remedy to rejuvenate your skin and restore its youthful appearance. The minerals in Epsom salt help exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production. How to use. 1. Mix Epsom salt with a bit of olive oil or honey to create a natural scrub. 2. Gently massage it onto your skin to cleanse pores, improve texture, and achieve a radiant glow. This treatment also helps minimize dark spots and puffiness, making your skin look fresh and healthier. 8. Support digestive health and relieve bloating. Digestive issues like bloating, gas, or indigestion can disrupt daily life, especially for older adults. Epsom salt, when used properly, can aid in regulating digestion and relieving discomfort. Dissolving a small amount of food-grade Epsom salt in warm water and consuming it as directed can act as a mild laxative, helping to cleanse the digestive system and reduce bloating. How to use. 1. Dissolve the recommended amount of food-grade Epsom salt in warm water. 2. Drink it as directed, but use this method only occasionally and under proper guidance. Remember, Epsom salt offers both external and internal benefits when used appropriately. 9. Strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Maintaining bone density is critical as we age, as weak bones can lead to fractures and other complications. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for bone health. Unlike calcium supplements that target bones directly, magnesium enhances the body's ability to absorb calcium effectively, promoting stronger and healthier bones. How to use. 1. Enjoy a relaxing bath with Epsom salt regularly, allowing your skin to absorb the magnesium. Studies suggest that magnesium can also improve balance, reducing the risk of falls in older adults. Soaking in Epsom salt is more than just relaxation, it's a step toward staying active and independent. 10. Boost immunity and fight infections. A simple soak can help your immune system. Epsom salt enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms by supporting the production of white blood cells, which play a vital role in fighting infections. This benefit is especially crucial during flu season or when recovering from minor illnesses. Additionally, Epsom salt baths can soothe irritated skin caused by bacterial or fungal infections, speeding up the healing process. How to use. 1. Combine Epsom salt with a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or tea tree oil during your bath. 2. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to boost the antibacterial effect and create a spa-like experience at home. Important note on using Epsom salt. Before you start using Epsom salt, it's important to choose the right type. Not all Epsom salt products are created equal. Look for food-grade Epsom salt that is pure and free of additives. Use it in moderation, as overdoing it, especially if consuming it, can lead to unwanted effects like stomach discomfort. Always consult with your doctor if you have medical conditions like kidney problems or diabetes. If you're trying Epsom salt for the first time, start small and see how your body responds. It's best to ease into something new, even if it's as natural and helpful as Epsom salt. How to use Epsom salt correctly. Now that you know the amazing benefits of Epsom salt, let's talk about how to use it properly. It's simpler than you might think and doesn't require any fancy tools. For muscle relaxation or pain relief. 1. Prepare a warm bath and add about 2 cups of Epsom salt. 2. Stir until it dissolves and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Ensure the water is comfortably warm, not too hot. For a foot soak. 1. Use a basin and add a cup of Epsom salt. 2. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes, especially if you've been on your feet all day or have swelling. For digestive health or detox. 1. Only use food-grade Epsom salt that is safe for consumption. 2. Dissolve the recommended amount, usually about half a teaspoon, in a glass of water and drink it. 3. Follow the instructions on the package. Using Epsom salt is easy and versatile. Just choose the method that fits your needs and remember that consistency is key. Regular use provides the best results. Conclusion. Epsom salt truly is a hidden gem that offers countless benefits for your health and well-being, especially as we age. From relieving pain and reducing swelling to promoting better sleep and even strengthening your bones, this simple remedy can make a significant difference in your daily life when used correctly. Remember, the key is choosing the right product, using it in moderation, and being consistent. It's incredible how small habits like a relaxing soak or a quick foot bath can improve how you feel every day. If you haven't tried Epsom salt yet, now might be the perfect time to give it a go. Start with one benefit that resonates most with your needs and see the results for yourself. Take care of your health, and don't forget to share this information with someone who might benefit from it. After all, good health is always better when shared.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.